म्हापशा रस्त्याकुशी कोयर उडयतनाचो व्हिडिओ सोशल मिडियाचेर व्हायरल जाल्लो। हे प्रकरणात म्हापशे पुलिसांनी तरणाट्याचेर गुन्यांव नोंद केल्लो। तशेंच ताका आपोवन हाडून पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर 2-3 वरां बसोवन दवरिल्लो। सोशल मिडियाचेर ट्रोलिंग, बदनामी, लज, नोटीसचो तणाव, अपराधी भावना तशेंच लोकांचे प्रतिक्रियेचे परिणाम ह्या कारणांक लागून तरणाट्यान आपणाचेर गुळी मारून जीव दिल्लो। व्हिडिओ काडून व्हायरल करप्याक जो मेरेन अटक जायना तो मेरेन चल्याची कूट ताब्यात घेवचे नात अशी भुमिका ताच्या घरच्यांनी घेतिल्ली। पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्टूय दिवपाक पुलिसांनी न्हयकार दिल्लो।
We want justice for my brother. We want that arrest of that person who has done all these things. My brother, because of which all the harassment that he has endured in the police station, everything, we don't know what has happened. The second injury was like totally unexpected, like what happened to my brother. Like we didn't know anything, he didn't even tell us anything, and it was like, that's why they were not giving us the post-mortem report. They were like delaying the post-mortem report and all for all these reasons. They were like they were not giving us only the post-mortem report. We were asking them why. Then the cops and all over there, they were like, no, we want to clear it up with our this. That's why we have our queries and all. That's why we are not giving you. You all can only see the post-mortem report. You all can't do it. We can't hand it over. They showed us. He showed me, and he's like, you can't take photos and you can't take it. So and then we came back home then, and then after that he called me on my phone and he's like, come. I said, I'm not coming if you are not giving me the report. If you are giving me the report only, I'll be coming. Then finally after some time, I don't know what happened, then he said, come to collect the report. He's not going to come back. We want justice for my brother.
सॅम्युएल ब्रागांजाच्या पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवालात ताका गुळी लागून मरण आयिल्ल्याचें कळटा। गुळी कपळाच्या उजव्या वटेंतल्यान भितर सरली आनी दाव्या दोळ्याच्या फाटल्या वटेन भायर पडली। ते भायर सॅम्युएलाचो उजवो दोळो सुजिल्लो, तशेंच त्या भागाक फ्रॅक्चर जाला खंय। ही जखम गुळी लागपाच्या कांय वरां पयलींची म्हूण कळटा। आतां ही जखम कसली, ती ताका जाली कशी, सॅम्युएला वांगडा पुलीस स्टेशनार नेमकें कितें जालें अशे साबार प्रस्न उपरासता। पुलीस पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्ट दिवपाक फाटीफुडें कित्याक करताले? पुलिसांनी ताका पुलीस स्टेशनार मारपेट केल्ली काय कितें? आपणे केल्ली कर्तुत्वां लिपोवपा खातीर पुलीस रिपोर्ट दिवपाक फाटीफुडें करताले काय कितें असोय दुबाव मारता। प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी।